everyone. Today we are going to install Xpert Highscore Plus. You can download it from the link I gave in the description and in the comment section as well. Download it and come here. Right click on this zip file. Show more options and extract here. This is the extracted folder. Go here and double click on setup.exe. Now click install Highscore Plus. It will take just a few seconds. Now click next. I accept and click next. Give your name here, like I'm going to give navigator. Click next, next, click OK. Install. Click no here if you don't want Cortana. It will take a few seconds to install depending on your system. Click finish and now click exit this setup. Go to desktop and double click the software icon. Click close, go to customize and manage database. Now you can see there are only 16 total number of patterns here. Go here and this folder, click the first file and open. Now check this file here. Now you can see there are thousands of patterns available in the dataset. Now you can compare your data with that. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment on this video and subscribe my channel for more content.